Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And here is your chance to win the scavenger hunt. You have until noon tomorrow. Yes, that's noon, November 5th, to enter the scavenger hunt. And guess what? As of now, no one has got all the answers correct. So, what better chance do you have to win? I'm going to tell you, get out there, go to see those artists, go to each and every one of them, look for that mask, and then email me down below. I'm going to put that email down there and send one email, put all those answers on, send it to me. You could be that one winner. That's all it takes. It just takes one email to me. So be sure to do it. You have, it's less than 24 hours, but I know you can do it. There's not that many videos. I know you can do it. I know you can. Give it a try. I'm going to put my video up as a premiere right now. It's a quick little video. It's only 6 minutes, so you're going to be able to see this. And by noon tomorrow, send that email. Before noon tomorrow, send me that email. And on Saturday, I could be calling your name as a winner. Now, if no one gets the right answers on Saturday, what I'm going to do is whoever is at my live will go into the drawing. But you must be a subscriber. So be sure to be there at my live on Saturday at noon. I'll see you then. All right. Bye-bye now. Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm gonna do a little flower here. I haven't done one in quite a while. Figured give myself a little brush up here. I have a whole drawer filled with these paints that are mixed for flowers. So I thought, let's make a flower. Have all these paints mixed here. Let's give it a little whirl. I'm laying down the JoSonja napkin, and yes, it is a JoSonja napkin to me, because she sent them to me from Slovenia. Thank you, JoSonja. You'll find her link down below. Here we go. Here we go. I got some nice cells in there. That looks pretty cool. Something in here that probably can do without. Oh yes. Beautiful. How about that? I love it. I love it. I'm going to take you in for a close-up. Clean this off. Absolutely beautiful. So, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe today. I'd love to have you come back and see some more. I will list all these colors down below. Like I said, these were mixed quite a while, and I just love the way. I can't believe what I got here. This was absolutely stunning. So this is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today. Have a great day, everyone. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye now.